students. Today we discuss determinant and matrices, unit number 2, and another example of determinants. Here example number 1, evaluate now first याद रखो गिवन डिटर्मिनेंट्स 3/3, then sign first element sign plus, second minus, third plus. Here minus, plus, minus. So here minus, so here plus, minus and plus. First element sign are minus, row type seconds element are minus, third plus. Similarly here plus, then here minus, plus, minus, here minus, so plus, minus, plus. Now evaluate example number 1, 1 2 3 5 4 6 8 9 and 7 given this determinants. Solution: here given D is equal to row type 1 2 3 5 4 6 8 9 and 7. So T is equal to, here first element sign are plus, row type that is 1 plus, second element 2 sign minus, and third element 3 then sign plus, so plus 3. Now here first 1 is a first row and a first column, so first row and first column are delete, then element 4 6 and 9 7 is a 2/2, 4 6 and 9 7. Now 2 is a first row and second column, the first row and second column delete, then 5 6 and 8 7 are 2/2, 5 6 and 8 7. 3 is a first row and third column, so first row and third column are delete, then 5 4 and 8 9 is a 2/2, 5 4 and 8 9, so is equal to 1. Here principal diagonal elements 4 and 7 are multiple, then 4 7s are 28 minus 9 6 are 54 minus 2, similarly 5 7 are 35 minus 8 6 are 48 plus 3, 5 9 are 45 minus 8 4 are 32. 28 minus 54, 28 minus 54, then 26, but sign are minus, minus 2, 35 minus 48, then 48 minus 35, that is 13 minus 13 plus 3, 45 minus 32, that is 13. Now here 26 1 ja minus 26, minus and minus are plus, 32 ja plus 26, plus 33 ja 39. Minus 26 and plus 26 got, then answer is 39. So your answer is 39. Very simple. Example number 2. Evaluate -1, -3 row type 2, 3 -2 second row, 3 -2 and 1, third row -5 4 and 5. Solution. Now here given D is equal to, determinate -1 -3 2, 3 -2 and 1, -5 4 and 5. So T is equal to, here first element is a minus, so -1, -1 is in the first row and first column are delete, then -2 1 4 and 5, -2 1 4 and 5, second element sign minus, and then -3. So -3 is a first row and second column. First row and second column remove, then 3 1 -5 and 5 is a 2 by 2, 3 1 -5 and 5. Last element plus 2. 2 is the first row and third column. So first row and third column delete, then 3 -2 -5 and 4, 2 by 2, 3 -2 -5 and 4. -1 here multiple -2 and 5, then -10 minus 4 multiple 1, that is 4, minus and minus, that is plus 3. Here 3 5s are 15, minus -5 1 ja -5, plus 2, 3 4s are 12, minus -5 and -2 ja plus 10, that is here 10. Now is equal to -1 -10 and -4, that is -14, plus 3, here 15, minus and minus, minus multiple minus, that is plus 5, plus 2, 12 minus 10, that is 2. Now first minus multiple minus, that is plus, and 1 multiple 4, 1 14, 1 multiple 14, 14 1 ja 14, plus 15 plus 3, 15 plus 5, then 20, plus 2 2 ja 4. So here 14, 23 ja 60, plus 4. Now addition 14 plus 16, 74. 74 plus 4, 78. Now your answer is 78. Example number 4. Evaluate this example. Row type, first row 3, 4 minus 2, 4 and minus 2. Second row 1 2 0, 1 2 and 0. Third row 2 6 minus 3, 2 6 and minus 3. Here solution. Given determinant D is equal to first row 3 4 minus 2, second row 1 2 and 0 and third row 2 6 and minus 3. Now here D is equal to first element 3 sign plus, second element minus row type ma, third element sign plus minus 2, रो टाइप सिमिलरली कॉलम टाइप पण लई सकीए छीए આપણે रो टाइप थी ज बात करीए छीए 3 इन फर्स्ट कॉलम अरे फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड फर्स्ट रो, देन फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट, रिमूव करो फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन 2 0 एंड 6 minus 3, 2 0 6 minus 3. Here 4 is a first row second column, then second column delete and first row delete. So 1 0 2 minus 3, 1 0 and 2 minus 3, 2 by 2 minus 2 is a first row and third column, then cancel third row or a third column and first row, then 1 2 and 2 6, 2 by 1 2 and 2 6 here. Now 3 2 multiple minus 3, 2 multiple minus 3 minus 6 multiple 0, 6 multiple 0 minus 4 1 multiple minus 3, 1 multiple minus 3 minus 2 multiple 0, 2 multiple 0 plus minus 2 1 multiple 6, 1 multiple 6 minus 2 multiple 2. एक स्टेप વધારી દીધું આપણે, ખબર ના પડે તો 3 here 2 and minus 3 या minus 6 0 multiple 6 0 या 6 0 minus 4 1 minus 3 जा minus 3 minus 0 સાથેનો multiple that is 0 plus multiple minus that is minus 2 1 6 जा 6 and minus 2 2 जा 4. Here 3 minus 6 and minus 0, minus 6 मांथी minus 0 ने निकाळवाना छे, तो minus 6 एमना एम ज रहेशे, minus 4 minus 3 minus 0 that is minus 3. जीरो સાથેનો એડિશન યા માઇનસ હોય તો એનો ઇઝ રિયલ નંબર તમને મળી રહેશે. સો -2 6 -4, 6 -4 that is 2, but here 6 is greater, so here +2. 3 multiple 6, my sign minus, 3 6 ja 18, minus multiple minus that is plus, 4 3 ja 12, minus 2 2 ja 4, minus 12, minus 18 and plus 12 that is minus 6 and minus 4, minus 6 and minus 4 that is minus 10. Your answer is minus 10. ઓકે કમ્પ્લીટ. દરેકને આવડશે એવી આશા રાખું છું. અને એ સાથે જ આપણે થોડું વર્કબુક આપી દઈએ છીએ હોમવર્ક આપવા, તો એ હોમવર્ક તમે કરશો. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 3. Simplify, otherwise evaluate 0 to 8 second row 0 3 6 and third row 0 4 12. Here solution. Given determinate D is equal to 0 to 8 0 3 6 0 4 12. So D is equal to, now here first element 0, second element 2 but sign minus, third element 8 sign plus. Now 0 is a first row and first column, so remove first row and first column, then 3 6 and 4 12, 2 by 2, 3 6 4 12. Similarly 2 is a first row and second column, first row and second column delete, then 0 6 and 0 12, 0 6 and 0 12 are 2 by 2. 8 is a first row and third column, first row and third column are delete, then 0 3 and 0 4 are 2 by 2, 0 3 and 0 4 is equal to 0. Now here principal diagonal elements 12 and 3, 12 3 are 36 minus 4 and 6, 4 6 ja 24, minus 2, similarly 0 12 ja 0, minus 0 6 ja 0, કોઈ પણ સંખ્યાને 0 વડે મલ્ટીપલ કરો આન્સર 0 મળશે, પ્લસ 8, 0 4 ja 0, minus 0 3 ja 0. Now here 0, 36 minus 24 that is 12, minus 2, 0 minus 0 that is 0, plus 8, 0 minus 0 that is 0. 0 multiple 12 that is 0, minus 2 multiple 0 that is 0, plus 8 multiple 0 that is 0. 0 સાથે કોઈ પણ સંખ્યાને તમે મલ્ટિપલમાં લાવશો ત્યારે 0 જ મળશે, બીજું કંઈ જ નહીં મળે. 0 minus 0 and plus 0, 0નો 0 સાથે એડિશન 0 જ મળશે એટલે આન્સર ઇઝ 0. So your answer is 0. Very simple example. Your homework. Shall practice, evaluate, row type 5, 6, 7, -8, 2, -1, 3, -4, 10 is answer 78. Second example, evaluate 1, 7, -3 first row, second row, -4, 6 and 2, third row 2, -5 and 3. His answer is 116. 116. And third example, 0, 5, 0 first row, 0, 5, 0 second row, 2, 6, 8 and third row 5, -6, 2. His answer is 180. So now complete this example in your homework. Again complete to your workbook this type example. Okay, have a nice day.